How to switch accounts on Epic Games. So this is super simple. All we want to do is open up the Epic Games client, and here we're going to click on our profile name or the icon in the top right corner. And the first thing that we have to do is actually sign out. Now, after we have signed out, we can create a new account, or if we have another account here, we can use either of those platforms to log in. But basically, we'll just type out our email address here, and we're going to click on continue. Then it's going to obviously ask us for a password if we have already created an account with this email. So I'm just going to type out the password right here. I'm going to click on sign in, and you will probably not have two-factor authentication enabled. But basically what that's going to do is, if you have a new account here, we can go to library and we can search for, or actually store, sorry, and we can search for the game that we want to download. So we will have to download all of the games that we want on this new Epic Games account as well. So basically, let's say I want to do a Fortnite. I'm going to click on Fortnite, and then I will just download it here from the store. So that's how you switch accounts on Epic Games. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.